I have a camera which is literally a game changer for content creators and especially for vloggers. You won't have to look for another job, for another camera option once you watch this full video. Perfect boss, perfect relationship, perfect girlfriend may or may not exist, but a camera which is literally perfect does exist. Sony's ZV-E10 is a new launch in the vlogging category and they have smartly designed this camera. Hit the subscribe button hard because this is going to be a roller coaster ride. As content creators, we look for a camera which has hassle-free screen rotation. You can shoot the way you want, you can shoot regular videos by just simply moving the camera around. You can turn it this way and you can also shoot videos in selfie mode. Another fantastic thing is, by simply flipping the screen this way, you can now shoot videos for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts very easily. Good quality audio plays a very important part in your videos. This has an inbuilt directional 3-capsule mic which captures audio even if you are in crowded location, and the hot shoe allows you to mount another external mic on it if you want to get a good quality output. Sony has provided you with the dead cat or the windshield protection, which means if you're outdoors, this will cut down on the ambient sound which is around you and give you a much better audio. I love this bigger red button for video recording because it is a lot more accessible. The big red light also enforces that you are recording. The product showcase feature is amazing. If you are into tech review, this is going to be a thrilling experience. Simply keep the product right in front. The moment you shift it or you move it, the shift of focus from the product to the face is seamless. With the 16-35 lens, you can shoot really wide and show your audience a lot more. With the built-in power zoom, you can very easily zoom in and zoom out, and that makes it so easy. One great feature this camera has is the soft skin effect. By default, it will be off. You can go down, select mid, low and high. This is going to be really popular among the female content creators. This footage that you're seeing is at the high mode in the soft skin effect. This soft skin is selected on the mid range. This footage you're seeing is set to the lowest in the soft skin effect. This footage you're seeing is with no soft skin effect. Now let us have them side by side and see what difference it really makes. Now this is a phenomenal feature. With a click of a button, you can either get your background in focus or make it defocus. Now what more can you ask for? Salary hike? Well, fair enough. It has a dedicated single button to switch between shooting mode like photo, video, S&Q. This makes life a lot more simpler, just like having no girlfriend. Who said that? In a single battery charge, you can shoot approximately around 440 photos and approximately 80 minutes of video. If you're shooting outdoors and you think you're running out of battery, there is no problem. You can simply connect the power bank and continue to shoot hassle-free. Now what makes this camera worth buying is you can simply attach any Sony E-mount lens and you are ready to go. With Christmas and New Year vacation round the corner, you should not be traveling without this. Now before we conclude this video, subscribe to the channel if you like the information we have shared. Now what's missing in this camera, just like income from life? I really wish Sony had added a touchscreen display, and I'm sure probably in the upcoming update or upgrade they would integrate that as well. The ND filter is also missing from it, which is required when you're shooting outdoors. Priced at just 60,000, this camera is a total package and I would buy it myself. Would you buy this camera? Do let me know in the comment box below. I better rush now. Watch the other videos.